Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a mask transition. So as you can see, I just pulled my first clip onto the timeline. Now I'm going to pull my second clip onto the timeline that I want the first clip to transition into. I'm going to pull it underneath the first clip. I'm now going to make a cut in the first clip. The easiest way to do this is to press Command B for the blade tool, make your mark, and then Command A to go back to the select tool. Now I'm going to drag a draw mask onto the first clip. I'm zooming in just so I can see the TV clearer and get the straightest line I can. I'm doing this pretty quick, so it's not going to be completely perfect. Now under invert mask, I'm going to make sure that's ticked. So that means my bottom clip will play into the first clip. Also where it says view on the right hand side, make sure it says composite and not original. As you can see, the bottom clip is now playing in the TV from the top clip. The next thing I'm going to do is do a Ken Burns crop, so it zooms in on the TV, and this is going to be where it transitions into the bottom clip. So now as it zooms into my bottom clip, you can see that the mask and the TV kind of go out of line. So to fix this, we're going to have to keyframe the mask. To do this, you're going to click on Transforms on the right hand side and click Position, Rotation, Scale and Control Points. You want to make sure the little yellow diamond is selected on all of those so the keyframes will all be activated. So now I'm going to slowly go through frame by frame as it zooms in to my top clip, and just make sure the mask is in line with the edges of the TV so the transition looks as clean as possible. So now as you can see, as it zooms in, the mask is in line with the TV at all times. This makes the transition look a lot more fluid and interesting. So the last thing I'm going to do now is just add a transition to the bottom clip. I'm going to use the static transition, and on the right hand side we're going to click Style B, just as this is the style I really like. So now it's going to just do a tiny little glitch static effect while zooming in, just to add to the transition and make it look a little more professional. So now as you can see, we have the finished transition. I really like this one. It literally only takes 5 minutes and it is effective. You can do this with door frames, windows, televisions, and it is just an interesting transition to get to your next clip. If you did find this video helpful, please leave a like and comment, and if you do want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. I will see you guys next week. I hope everyone has a great day.